in a new building now. This building has the furnace in it over on the other side. So most of the production stuff over here was taken out, as you can see. Now we just have small control booths. A lot of controls in them. Also, look at the giant crane up there. I wish I could get to it easier without going across the actual rail beams. Probably, I don't know what this would have done. Probably made slabs of some sort. Like large steel slabs. It's not too bad. There is a lot of graffiti, of course. But it's mostly intact still. You get a nice overview of the entire building here. There's a stove in this control room for some reason, or it's left of a stove sitting in the corner. So this is some sort of, I think, oxygen injection furnace or something. I'm not entirely sure what it is. I don't know that type. Yeah, so this has got all these like oxygen injectors or something on the side of this furnace. And here's the door to that furnace. They completely filled it with concrete, it seems. But yeah, still got some, I don't know, rolled something in there. And this thing is massive. Here's the top of this thing. It's a nice catwalk, walking across it. Yeah. So everything inside this furnace has completely collapsed. All the brick lining and stuff into a big pile on the bottom. I don't know what those are. Door weights or something, maybe. Wow. What the hell happened here? Jesus Christ. Last time we were here, oh my God, it did not look like this. There was nothing in this hallway. People have been working a lot in here. Look at them all. There's another one. I'm not even sure what would have been in this that you'd want to take out. Wow. This looks significantly different than it did last time we were here. This entire control section is leaning to the left. So on the other side of that wall is that furnace thing. I don't know. I don't know enough about steel manufacturing like this to figure it out. Yeah, this room is super trashed now. Here's some more nice old General Electric controls on slate panels. Yeah, this is all just trash thrown about, all the wire. I don't remember this room. There is some scaffolding in here. Interesting. Some more old control panels back here. Not as old actually, they're steel. Into the basement we go. Last time we were here, this was full to the brim with oil and stuff. So I don't know where all the oil went. That is interesting. There's more old control panels here. But since this is all burnt here, I'm assuming they got to the copper switches down here. Yep. Basically every single copper switch on here is gone. Unfortunate. There's another set of control panels. Also completely stripped of all its controls. More controls there. And I don't even know what's going on over here. Look at all that oil. That's good. I don't even want to go down there. I don't know where this goes. Does this connect up with the other the main basement? Yes, it does. There's a lot of machines down here in the basement. Look at that. Lubricating oil. It's an oil tank. Whole bunch of oil tanks here. Another one here. My shoes are sticking to the floor with every step. This is directly under that giant furnace. Wow, look at that flywheel. You can just barely see it. Oh no, it's a gear actually, not a flywheel. Wow. So this building I haven't been in because it's been locked up tight for a long time. But now it's open. Finally in this building now. Interesting. Bunch of welding rods and such. Whole ton of them. There's the staircase up to the crane, which is way over here right now. Other than that, there's not much in here it seems right now. Bandsaw. Hardly anything in the tool shop. Huh. Well, that's it for this building, I suppose. Not much to see, surprisingly. Alright, the rest of the basement then. More controls, concrete platforms. I don't remember where this goes from here. And this is back on the other side of the building where all that stuff's cut out. Wow. This used to be the electrical repair shop, or the main one of them. It is completely trashed in here. This is what the scrappers are doing here. This is a core for a transformer. Used to be copper windings all in there, and it was probably sitting in there, if I had to guess. Well, look at all this stuff on the ground. Another parts room. Again, this is super trashed comparatively to what it used to be. Oh my God. This used to be the billet yard. Used to be many overhead cranes here that would have moved steel around on these little spots. A bunch of new-ish pipes. Well, not really new. Insulation pipes. Not much to look at in here. There's so much graffiti around. All over the place. Would have been a train that drove all the way in here from over there to get loaded. Alright. That's probably going to be it for this place. Up on the top of the crane, right in the middle.